Hi guys, today we're going to be looking at two fantastic magazines. There are actually three of them, but I've only got two. Norman Boring's The World of Bruce Lee. Fantastic collector with his own museum in LA. Absolutely fantastic. If anybody wants to throw the poor Bruce Lee fan the extra one I'd like to my collection, I'll gladly accept it. Quick scan around as always. Right, let's get cracking with a review. Here's the two magazines. Like I say, there's one I haven't got, so I'll gladly accept it as a gift. Hold on while I set the tripod up. Right, welcome back. The World of Bruce Lee, Volume 1, Revised Edition. Like I say, there's two of these ones. I've only got this one. So let's look at this fantastic magazine. Excellent, these are. Definitely worth picking up if you ain't got them. Not expensive. Although saying that, it's getting harder and harder to find things that aren't expensive now, which is very sad, being the poor Bruce Lee fan. But these are excellent magazines to review because, like I say, they're full of fantastic pictures. Very cool. So you definitely need a tripod to look at these magazines with the pages sticking together and whatever. Young Bruce there, having a bit of a dance. Bruce and the Mercedes. Excellent. Can highly recommend these if you can pick them up for a reasonable price anyway. Excellent. That's that one. We'll move on to the this one I've got, the special collector's edition. Very cool these are. Okay, the very high quality, glossy pages. Linda doing a bit of fighting there. Excellent.
Sensitivity is kung fu courage set in motion. It's a massive dynamic explosion. Power fills his eyes as he strikes. Terror.
Child star of Hong Kong.
He's the king of kung fu. King of kung fu. King of kung fu. Let him show what he can do. He's the king of kung fu. King of kung fu. King of
Very cool.
Let him show what he can do.
This bit comes out, I believe. I can get it out. There you go. Excellent. The World of Bruce Lee. That's the museum. Very cool, these are. Definitely worth picking up. I like going through these old magazines. When you ain't looked at them for a long time. Bruce the Dancer. Definitely worth getting out of these, though. Like I say, if anybody's got a spare volume 2 they want to get rid of, I'll take it off their hands. Because that's the one I'm missing, so hope you enjoyed that short review. Norman Boreen's The World of Bruce Lee. I've got a couple of his books as well, so definitely worth picking up. Have a great day, people. Have a great day, and remember, Bruce will never die. And look forward to a few more episodes from my personal Bruce Lee collection. Ta-ra!